Hello and welcome back friends to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cast your Android mobile screen on your Windows 10 PC, whether it is laptop or desktop. Here I am checking that the version of Windows is Windows 10 20H2. So for this to work, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi first and then go to settings. In here you need to search optional features, and you can see there is a option add an optional feature, and in here you scroll down and make sure you have wireless display installed. It is under install features. If it is not installed by default, you can easily add it here. Scroll down and you will find wireless display feature here. I have already installed it, so it is not shown. If you have not installed it, just click on it and click install. After you have installed this feature, you are good to go. Just close it. Go to this notification icon and click on project. Here click on connect to a wireless display, and again click on projecting to this PC. Once this settings page open, you can see we can click here to connect app to open it, and you have to choose these options here: available everywhere, first time only, and this option to never, and this option must be turned on. So then click on this icon here and this connect app will open up. If you haven't installed this connect app, you can install it via the Microsoft Store. So now you just need to go to your Android screen and tap on cast or mirror option, and you will find the laptop ID is shown here. Just need to tap on that on your Android phone and it will immediately connect you to the mobile screen. So this is the mobile screen that is casted on Windows 10 PC. It will be shown full screen, and if you show the applications which support full screen horizontal mode, they will be shown horizontally. Now here you can use your mouse to control your Android mobile like so, and also your laptop keyboard with your Android mobile. Here you can also use your Android screen to display something on the application on Windows 10, and if you connect it to YouTube or other websites or Chrome, you can display over those items or applications on your casted screen on Windows 10 PC. Now if you have a TV that can be connected with an HDMI cable or a VGA cable to your laptop, you can view this whole screen on the TV itself. This is very useful for viewing mobile contents and also doing editing tasks like video editing or Microsoft Office applications. Now in here I am using the laptop keyboard to type something on a Word document. This will be very useful for these types of works by utilizing your laptop keyboard and mouse and the applications that are stored on your Android mobile. So I hope you have learned something new, and I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.